Hi, this is Sophie from Sophie Makes, and today I'm going to do Cubetto. Thank you for Jonathan from FutureWe and iWorld. And this is it. I've got the expansion pack, this base one, and this learning one. Let's open this one first. This is the board where you do all the programming. These are the blocks. Oh. Here's the mat and all these guide things. And finally, I'm going to take out Cubetto, which is hard. I just lost it sideways. This is Cubetto. It's got a little smiley face on it. So this is the instruction guide, and this is a book, the board. So this is where you put all the things you need, and then when you're finished, you press this button. And this is for the function. You could do as much as you want, but only 4, and then use a function block. I'll show you the blocks now. So these green blocks are to go forward. The red blocks are going right. The yellow blocks are for going left, and the blue blocks are for function. So if it could be like forward, right, left, and then you'll just put the function block there. So it will be quicker, easier for it to just quickly read. So you need three AA batteries on the board and Cubetto. So to turn these things on, turn it upside down, and instead of the 0, we need it 1. Now this is on, and it should be turn it to the 1, and it should blink 3 times with blue. And then we've got to tell it what to do. So I might make a function, maybe forward, left. They have to be a certain way. And then maybe forwards again. And then right. Opposite. And then function I'll put there. And then I'll show you what it does. And we'll probably need to do a forward, because why would you just want it to turn and not go anywhere? So, forward. Is my program. So these remember these blocks are function blocks. This is my function: forward, left, forward, right. So I've got function, forward, function, right, right, right. Do you want to see what that does? Watch this. See? So I'm going to make a program that makes it go from the tree to the mountain. There's two ways, there's a couple of ways you can do it. You could make it go here, 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 or you could make it go here, 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 or you could make it go here, 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 here. There's some other ways you can do it too. So, I might do the way to go there, there. Okay? So, it will need to turn left first, there, and then it will need to go forward. So, it's at the sea. It needs to turn from here that way. So we use a right. And then it goes forward 2. 1, 2. Now let's press go. That was my brother. I wonder what it will be doing at the mountains. So you can make stories with it. So it's like this mine is like it went to the park, then went swimming, went to a farm, and then went hiking. So now let's open the space one. My brother's come to help. So Jack, we've got to Mama hold it up like this, and look, it's space. This side, and then up to like this. Then here's the space mat and the book. We don't really need to use it. So there. This is the space mat. So here is home Earth, and here is the moon, and here is its craters. And here's the rocket ship and meteors and the solar system. So, let's start at Earth and get it to go to the moon and then explore the craters. So, I will make it turn right, right, and then I'll make it go forward and it ends up here. Maybe we can make it a function. Let's just do it like this. Right, forward, and then maybe they can just explore the craters and then put a flag on the moon. So we're already here. So then we will have to turn left. So we get this yellow block. There, that. And then we need it to go forward. And then we need it to turn white. And then we need it to go forward. So, press the blue button. Now we can come up here. Or you can... Moon! Yes, it's going to the moon.